Now, in today's class, we would like to complete all the types of differentiation. So, anyhow, we completed differentiability in the last class. So, I'll start with this one. As I told you that uh, this is, first of all, you see here connected to the basic formula, we people are going to call this one as first principle also. H tends to 0, f of x plus h minus f of x divided by h. This is called what? First principle. You can call it as type 1, right? You can call it as type 1 problem. Now the question is, when the difference, when he will say that what, find the derivative, they'll give like this, Nana. Find the derivative of f of x. Okay, from the first principle, if they said from the first principle, okay, principle, no need to worry about this. This is called what? First principle. Suppose I would like to do 2 or 3 problems here. You see this now. My f of x is, as you know very well, that x square is your question. So what is the derivative of this one? And x square derivative is 2x now. With the help of first principle, are you able to do? Means yes, we can do. What is there? Here you can write x plus h whole square minus x square divided by h you can write. So we need not worry. One of the easiest one, h square 2hx minus x square, right? And h is there. X square gone now. So if you take h common, guys, it is 0 by 0 form is there now. H plus 2x divided by h. H you can cancel. 0 plus 2x is nothing but 2x is the answer. Anybody have any doubt? Have you any doubt, guys? Do you have any doubt?
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Another one is also there. What is that? Sine 2x I would like to take here.
Sir, can you explain once again, sir?
Right. Okay. You see this one, Nana. Sine 2x. No problem. Here, just we have to substitute this in the problem. Okay. In the formula, we have to substitute this. What is sine of x plus h? Means here we have to substitute. You see here like this. 2 into x plus h. Wherever x is there, we have to write x plus h minus sine 2x. Right? First one is what, Nana? We have to substitute in the place of h. X as what? X plus h. And the rest is what? F of x as usual. Here also I did the same thing. In the place of f of x, x plus h, if we substitute, we'll get what? Like this. Same I did here also. Right? Do one thing here. You multiply now. Okay. What is that? Sine 2x plus 2h. And whereas here sine 2x is there. Divided by h. How to solve? Very simple, Nana. That is here 2 cos transformation I am applying. A plus b by 2 and sine 2x plus 2h minus 2x. Right? By 2. So divided by h is also there. Limit h tends to 0. See this, Nana. Cos, if I remove this one, I may get 2x plus h. Do you agree?
Yes.
Right, sir? And another one, 2x gone here. 2 is also gone.
Sin h.
We will get what? Sin h. And in the denominator also we have what? H. Now for the first one we substitute 2x plus 0. For this one it become what? 1, Nana. Right?
Yes, sir.
So your answer is 2 cos 2x. We got it here? 2 cos 2x. Is that clear, Nana? Still you have any doubt?
No, sir. Yeah. Cleared.
No, sir.
Okay, fine. We'll move on to the next one. So see this. I want to take another one. So you will get what clear idea about this third one. Suppose if I said here f of x is equal to tan 2x. Always We are not using the transformation. Multiple, submultiple, compound angles are also acting as a major role. So f dash x with a first principle mean limit h tends to 0, tan of 2x plus h minus tan 2x divided by h nano. And now you see this limit h tends to 0, you can write sine 2x plus 2h by cos 2x plus 2h. And whereas here sine 2x by cos 2x. And you know very well in the denominator we have what h. Like this, limit h tends to 0. If you take LCM, 2x plus 2h cos 2x minus here sine 2x cos 2x plus 2h, and everything I'll write in the denominator. What is that? Cos 2x plus 2h and cos 2x and h. We need not worry. We are using compound angle formula. What is that? Sine of a plus b formula. 2x plus 2h minus 2x divided by, this is denominator, no change at all, same as it is. We have here 2x h. You see, can cut it off. Here, you can separate the limit. Limit h tends to 0. You can write like this now. Sine 2h by 2h into 2. Another one, limit h tends to 0. 1 divided by, this is also there, cos 2x plus 2h into cos 2x. All are in multiplication. This is 1 nano. So 2 you will get. In the denominator, what do you have? Cos 2x plus 0, another cos 2x. So finally, you got it as 2 divided by cos square 2x. So 2 secant square 2x is the answer. Anybody have any doubts? Now, the question is, suppose if they have given like this, f of x plus or minus g of, right? So d by dx we can write down. Differentiation means d by dx. Or else people are going to write like this also. F plus or minus g of x. Whole dash also they'll write. How it is? F dash x plus or minus g dash x. लिख सकते हो यार ऐसे, कुछ नहीं होगा. And d by dx of something k into f of x is there. Yeah, you can write k outside. F dash x you can write. Okay, so for type 2, you need to write all this formula, guys. What are the formulas here? See this now. So x to the power of n, d by dx of x to the power of n. You know very well, it can be written as x to the power of n dash also. N into x to the power of n minus 1. Take away, right? So now onwards, I would like to write like this instead of d by dx. Is it okay, Nana?
Yes, sir.
A to the power of x whole dash means a to the power of x into log a. E to the power of x ds is nothing but e to the power of x. And x derivative is 1. Root x derivative is 1 by
1 by
2.
2 root x.
Right. 1 by 2 root x. 1 minute. Right. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. Another one. Log x derivative is 1 by x. Another one. 1 by x derivative is minus 1 by x square. Or 1 by x to the power of n derivative is minus n by x to the power of n plus 1. All of you, please remember, you are supposed to write this all formula. This is first set. Start from this first set. Right. And also k derivative, some constant derivative is what, Anna? 0. Right? Constant derivative is 0. Now second one. Second one is what? Sin x derivative. Sin x derivative is cos x. Cos x derivative is minus sin x. Don't get confusion. Tan x derivative is, it is what? Secant square x. And cot x derivative is, okay, cosecant square x with minus nana. Okay, and secant x derivative is, you will get here secant x tan x. Right, and one more is there, cosecant x derivative, that you can write minus cosecant x and cot x will get. This is second set. And the third set is interesting here. See this sine inverse x dash. You can write 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Suppose if I said cos inverse x dash minus 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. Then another one tan inverse x dash. This is 1 by 1 plus x square. So here cot inverse x dash. Okay, minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay, secant inverse x dash. That is what 1 by x under root of x square minus 1. And finally, cosecant inverse x dash is minus 1 by, yeah, of course, you can write it modulus also, nothing will happen. This is the difference, that is plus, and this one is minus now. Right, cosecant inverse. This is what? Third one. Are you followed, guys? All the formulae?
Yes, sir.
Shall I move on to the
Yes, sir.
next?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Right now. And now, fourth one is hyperbolic. Sin hx. This is what cos hx without minus. Cos hx. You will write here sin hx, no minus. Tan hx. Yeah, you can write here secant h square x, same as it is. Cot hx minus you will get here. Minus cosecant h square x. And next one is cot secant hx. What is secant hx? Minus secant hx and tan hx. And cosecant hx dash. So minus cosecant hx cot hx you can write. Right now, and the next one is here hyperbolic. Not to forget about this. Sin h inverse x-ray can be written as 1 by 1 plus x square under root. Cos h square x dash. It is also same but little different. X square minus 1. And now tan h square x 1 by 1 minus x square. And cot h square x is also 1 by 1 minus x square. Secant h square x, sorry. Secant h inverse x dash and cosecant h inverse x dash. Anybody have any idea about this, guys?
Root 1 minus x
1 by, tell me once again.
mod x
Mod x. Okay.
under root 1 minus
1
x
minus x square.
But minus. Okay, minus 1 by. ये क्या रहेगा?
1 plus x.
उल्टा रहता. वो ऐसा रहता और एक ये ऐसा रहता. Is that clear? Right? Is that clear,
Yes,
guys?
sir.
दो ऐसा रहते हैं, correct है. Whatever you said that it is right. Right. Now I'll enter into second zone. Shall I turn the page? Now you see this type 2 nana. My sincere request is all of you please write these all formulae. These all problems you are supposed to solve by say okay, see the formulas and write down. What is the question here? Differentiate. Differentiate the following. Okay, differentiate the following. Question देखो यार ऐसा दिया, differentiate the following. Right, we have what a number of questions, don't forget about it. Yeah, first one is y is equal to, if I write here sin x e to the power of x. Okay, and the other one is something log x. What is the derivative, sir? Differentiate with respect to x. What do you have to write? Dy by dx. Come on.
Cos x
Hey, Pele,
False.
first you write this step, Nana. You'll get much clarity, right? Whether plus is there, minus is there, constant is there. Easily you can calculate. Now you can write. What is that? Cos x.
Cos x plus e to the power of x plus 1 by x.
1 by x. No, what I mean to say that first step is you write like this. For example, suppose if I said like this, 2 tan inverse x, right? And something root x plus 2 to the power of x is there. How you are going to write? You write this step now compulsory differentiate with respect to x. Even though you are writing this step means some people are going to think about that they are wasting their time. No, sir. They are making perfect. So 2, here tan inverse x derivative is 1 by 1 plus x square. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x. 2 to the power of x derivative is 2 to the power of x into log 2. Am I right, sir?
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys. Here, yes, sir. Here we can write in this way. We have what n number of questions here. We need not worry. बहुत सारे questions है here. आराम से अपन examples ले सकते हैं. Right. Totally we can take so many examples we can take.
Someone can you show before that?
Yeah, definitely. Okay.
Yes.
Right. Suppose if I said like this, Nana, what is that? Here 3 to the power of x, 3 sin x plus 5 sin inverse x. Come on, tell. What is the differentiation of this?
3x whole dash.
Yes, sir. Very nice. And 3 into
3 into
sin
sin
x.
x whole
Sin
dash.
x whole dash.
Right.
5
Sin
into sin inverse whole dash.
Whole dash.
whole dash. Right. 3 to the power of
3x
x.
log 3.
3x
log
log 2 plus
3 into cos x.
Cos x. 3 into cos x
Uh,
plus
1 by under
5
root
into
of
1 by root 1 minus x.
x square. Right, sir. One more problem. Yeah. Y is equal to something here like this. I'm writing sin hx. Okay. And tan hx. Okay. And e to the power of x. Okay. Plus 1 by x. Differentiate with respect to x. If I said, what's the answer, sir?
Sin hx whole dash.
Nice. This is dash and this is also whole dash we can write. And here e to the power of x dash also plus 1 by x whole dash also we can write. Sin
Cos
hx means
hx.
cos hx.
Secant h square x.
square x. Right. E to the power of x
E to the power
minus 1 by x square. Right.
minus
Minus
1
1
by
by
x.
x.
X square. Yes.
4 problems is enough in this type, guys. What do you say?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn the page?
Yes. Sir.
Okay. This is what type 2 nana. Type 3 nana. What is that type 3 means? You remember one thing here. We use all the formulas in first type. And in type 3, u v dash. What is that? U dash v plus
V dash. U.
This is the formula. Yeah, how we best we are applying means you see here. Suppose if I said like this, differentiate the following. Here also I'm taking 4 formulas. F of x is equal to, suppose if I take f of x, nothing will happen. Okay, x cube and sin x is there. What you have to write? Differentiate with respect to x you have to write. This is what f dash x you have to write. And here
X cube whole dash.
whole dash sin x. Write this step now, it is compulsory. Right?
X cube sin x whole dash.
Sin x dash. Right, now you will get here 3x square. This is sin x. Here x cube cos
Cos
x.
x.
That's it. No need to simplify. You read it. Read. Okay. F of x is equal to, this is 2 to the power of x into something root x I'll take. How? Differentiate with respect to x. F dash x is equal to 2 to the power of x whole dash root x. 2 to the power of x root x dash. Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 2 to the power of x into log 2 root x plus 2 to the power of x 1 by 2 root x.
1 by 2 root.
Yeah, this is, we got it here. Now, please tell me about this then. F of x is equal to something I would like to take e to the power of x, sine inverse x, here tan inverse x, 1 by x square. If it is like this, how? Differentiate with respect to x means you know very well. F dash x, right? F dash x, this is e to the power of x dash. Array, sorry. UV formula, na?
Type 2.
I forgot it. I'm extremely sorry, guys. ये तो हो गया ना? Right. Sorry. F
Sir,
dash
उसका आंसर
x,
सही है, लिखो सर.
2 to the power of x log 2. Root x and 2 to the power of x, root x divided 2 root x, right? Sorry, guys. Third one. Y is equal to, suppose, if I write like this, y is equal to, okay, root x log x. How you are going to do? Dy by dx, root x dash log x plus root x into log x dash. Sir, everybody make it serious and you are supposed to do well, Nana, while writing this all 4 cases minimum. Root x is okay. Here log x derivative is how much, sir?
1 by x.
Yes.
X.
Yeah, fine. Or a clingy. Sometime what happened here, you see, they make you like this also. Nana. How filling in this way, they'll give like this also. 5 sin x plus e to the power of x log x. You see here, you need not worry. Of course, uv is involved, right? 5 sin x dash, right? Sin x dash. And here, e to the power of x log x whole dash. Need not worry. Now you see 5 cos x, e to the power of x dash log x, right, sir? Log x here,
Yes, sir.
and e to the power of x log x dash. Now you can write in the next step 5 cos x, e to the power of x log x, and e to the power of x 1 by x. Yeah, like this also you can do it. Okay. Okay. Right, Nana?
Yes.
Shall I move on to the next?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
No. Now the next one. See here. I think going for the next type is good. What is that type now? 4?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, type 4.
Type 4 is what? U by V formula. Okay. U dash V minus U V dash by V square. Okay, Nana? V square. So here I want to go for 4 different problems. 4. In each type I'm taking 4 different problems. Please remember. What is that first one? Y is equal to ax plus b by cx plus d nano. So what is that? Differentiate with respect to x means you will get here no doubt that dy by dx. What about this? Ax plus b dash, right? Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Cx plus d, okay, minus ax plus b, done. And here cx plus d whole dash
Whole dash.
divided by what we have,
CX plus 2 whole square.
whole dash whole square. Now, what is the derivative of this one? A na plus 0,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yes.
Cx plus d as usual. And here ax plus b as usual. Cx plus d is c plus 0.
C plus 0.
Done. Now, this is cx plus d whole square. Right, sir? So finally, you will get here acx plus ad. Next, acx minus bc divided by cx plus d whole square. Just I simplified, Nana. because I want to tell you something here. What is that? Dy by dx is equal to AD minus BC by Cx plus D whole square. You please remember this as a formula, guys. Okay, you remember this as a formula. Now, suppose if I gave you another problem in this way, what is that? Sin x by x. Now you tell me, differentiate with respect to x means how much? Dy by dx is equal to, come on guys, sin x dash
And
x, right?
minus
Sin
sin
x
x whole dash x square
by x square.
sir, this is what cos
Cos
x.
x
cos x
into x.
Uh, sin x into 1 divided by x square. Need not simplify, right? I'll take one more here. Don't worry, I'll take here one more. Suppose here if I take 8 to the power of x by x to the power of 8. How? Dy by dx is what, Nana? 8 to the power of x dash x to the power of 8 minus 8 to the power of x to the power of 8 dash. Am I right, sir? This is
Yes,
8 to
sir.
the power of x into log 8 x to the power of 8 as it is. 8 to the power of x, 8x to the power of 8 minus 1, right? Divided by x to the power of 16. You can stop here or you can simplify. You want to simplify? You can simplify, Nana, right? If you want, you can simplify. Otherwise, it will be like this. Just to observe carefully. Okay, now type 5, Nana. Right? What is this? This is what? Type 5. In type 5, guys, please remember, you can call it as chain rule. Right? Chain rule. What is that chain rule means? I'll go for this one. Suppose sine AX is there. If you differentiate with respect to x, you do like this, dy by dx. What is sine derivative cos AX? You have to write. But problem is not completed. The internally, it is not x, something else. You have to differentiate that. What you will get now? Cos AX into A will get. Is that clear, sir?
yes sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll give one more example. Y is equal to log AX plus BZ. If I said differentiate with respect to x, then dy by dx is equal to log x derivatives, whatever it may be, you have to write here ax plus b. But it
Then
is
a
not
plus b we have to
whole dash. Sir. Ax plus b, and here derivative of this one is a plus 0. This is your answer. Right? Third one you see now. Y is equal to root of cos x. How you are going to do? Differentiate.
1 by 2 root cos x.
Sir, you are right.
Into
First
minus
one is
5.
1 by 2 root of cos x. But it is not
Then
x.
cos x whole
Derivative once again. So derivative of cos x is minus sin x. And this one is as usual.
2 root cos x.
I'll give one more example. Logarithm of sine x square. So what happened here? Dy by dx.
1 by x square
1 by sine x square.
sin x square, yes sir.
And now you have to differentiate here sine x square dash. Is nothing but 1 by sine x square. This is what, Nana? Cos x square.
Cos x,
But x square dash again.
yes sir.
So cos by sine same as there is there. That's why I can write cot x square. The derivative of x square is what? 2x.
2x.
Okay. I'll give you one more example. Not happy with this? I'll give one more example. What is that, Nana? See, y is equal to root of, okay, log sine e to the power of 3x. कुछ तो ऐसा रहता. So what to do here? Need not worry. Dy by dx. Root x derivative is 1 by 2 root x.
1 by 2 root x.
Whatever is there, you write like this. Log sine e to the power of 3x. Pura. But that total you have to differentiate again because it's not x. Differentiation. So here dy by dx, what happened here? 1 by under root of 2 root of log sine e to the power of 3x. You see, a stage wise will differentiate. Log x derivative is 1 by sine e to the power of 3x. Again, sine e to the power of 3x dash. So here 1 by 2 root of log sine e to the power of 3x. But sine derivative is cos e to the power of
Cos.
3x. Or e to the power of 3x again. But here in the denominator, this one is also there. You should not forget about it. Sine e to the power of 3x. Cos by sine is cot, no? Shall I
Cot
write like
sin.
that?
Yes,
Cot
yes.
3x, cot e to the power of 3x, sorry. E to the power of 3x divided by 2 root of, this is log sine e to the power of 3x. And e to the power of 3x derivative is 3 e to the power of 3 to the power of x. E to the power of 3x derivative is e to the power of 3x. 3x derivative is what? 3 is there.
3.
That's why we got it in this way. Okay, sir. Anybody have any doubt? No, no? Are you comfortable
sir.
in chain rule?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Just I'm
Once can you
introducing.
explain fifth one, sir?
Huh. First root x I evaluated 1 by 2 root x. The internal whatever is there, the derivative of that one I wrote here. Again, log x derivative is 1 by this one, but this is not x, that's why I differentiated here. Again here, the derivative of this one is cos 3x, but these two are same. Denominator, nothing is changed. Wherever derivative is there, that I am differentiating. Again, it is not x, e to the power of 3x whole dash is there. So sine by cos or cos by sine is there, means cot I wrote. The derivative of e to the power of 3x is what? E to the power of 3x. But it is not x. 3x derivative is 3. I wrote like this. Okay?
Understood.
Huh, sir. Okay. Yeah. Now you see this one. One more I'll take here. Sixth one. Y is equal to, because this one is okay. Secant x plus tan x. How you are going to differentiate with respect to x? एक by क्या होगा? dy by dx 1 by na secant x plus tan x. Whereas here secant x plus tan x whole dash. Chain rule only. This is secant x derivatives, secant x tan x derivatives, secant square x. In the denominator we have this one, secant x plus tan x. Okay, if you have little patience, think about it. Try to simplify what I mean. Why I have given this problem, you can simplify for a unique answer. Right, sir? You can. One more example I'll take here. Don't worry, इसमें थोड़े examples ज़्यादा ले लूँगा. थोड़े ले लेंगे यार, कुछ नहीं होता. Y is equal to 7 to the power of something. X cube plus 3x is there. How you are going to differentiate? Come on, guys. What I am supposed to write?
7x 7
cube,
power x cube plus 3x
log 7.
7.
Log
Next, x cube plus 3x whole dash, right?
Yes, sir.
Sir. 7 to the power of x cube plus 3x, okay, log 7 is the first one. But here the derivative of this one is 3x square plus 3. Done, sir? Okay. Suppose if I asked you to a simple question like this, y is equal to log of sine log x. How it is? Come on, tell me. Dy by dx. What I'll get?
1 by
1
sine log
1
x.
by sine log
Sine log x. Done.
Sine log x whole dash.
cos log x.
Sine log
Then
x.
log
whole
x you
dash.
have to differentiate.
Sir. Sine derivative is cos na?
Cos.
Cos log x and log
Into
x
1
dash
by
divided by 1. This is the next step. I'll finish it. Cos log x by sine log x Okay. Log x derivative is 1 by x. If you want, you can write here. Cot log x.
Cot log x by x.
You can write. Clear, sir? Shall I
Yes,
move on to
sir.
the next one?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now this is what type? Which one?
6, sir.
6.
Done. Right. Type 6, you have to be careful, Nana. Right. Type 6 is what? You have to be careful. Inverse trigonometric function. Derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. How? Suppose y is equal to, right, inverse trigonometric function. Derivative of inverse trigonometric function. Some good questions are also here. We'll go for it, no problem. See here, suppose if I gave you like this, Nana, cos inverse 5x. How you are going to do? Cos inverse derivative is 1 by under root of whatever it may be. 5x is there, 5x.
Minus 1.
But that rule is acting as a major role here. Okay, we use the different derivative of inverse trigonometric functions, but at the same time, chain rule is also acting. Fine. Right, sir? Yes, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Chain rule be.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Suppose this is first question. Second question, if I gave you in this way, how? See this now. Tan inverse of cos x divided by 1 plus cos x. How you are going to do? Want to simplify or you want to differentiate like this? Differentiate directly. करना है तो डायरेक्ट करो, कुछ भी नहीं होता. 1 by 1 plus cos x by 1 plus cos x whole square. 1 by 1 plus x square na derivative. But this is not x. So it's like chain rule related problems. But inverse derivative functions I'm using. So what I'll get, sir? 1 divided by 1 plus cos x whole square plus cos square x divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. After LCM. Yes, sir? Cos x dash 1 plus cos x minus cos x 1 plus cos x dash divided by 1 plus cos x whole square. Should have little patience, nothing else. ये क्या होगा यार? 1 plus 2 cos square x plus 2 cos x after expanding. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Minus sin x 1 plus cos x minus sin x. ठीक है? Nothing is there. 1. Now you think of this. 1 plus 2 cos square x plus 2 cos x. What you will get here? Only sin x, guys, because minus sin x cos x and plus sin x cos x gone. So we will have what like this. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'll turn the page now. Shall I?
Yes, sir. Plus sin x.
नहीं माइनस साइन एक्स यहाँ पे माइनस साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स है यहाँ प्लस साइन एक्स कॉस एक्स दोनों कैंसिल हो जाते ओके थर्ड वन sometime what happened they'll give like this y is equal to e to the power of a sin inverse x is there. How you are going to do? If you start differentiating with respect to x you'll get dy by dx. What is this? A sin inverse x, but again a sin inverse x whole dash. How much, sir? A sin inverse x a by root over 1 minus x square. Or you can write like this also. Ya by root 1 minus x square. Is it okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You can write like this now. No problem. You can write in this way also. राइट इनवर्स फंक्शन का थोड़ा बहुत रहता है इम्पोर्टेंस रहता, वो करना जरूरी है अपने. And also one more point you please remember. Here most important point you remember. You remember this, Nana. Let F be a bijective. Okay, bijection, you can say that bijection. If F inverse is exists only for bijective function, that's why. If F is differentiable, okay, differentiable, okay, at x and f dash x. Remember, f dash should not be equal to 0. Then f inverse E is differentiable. F inverse is also what? Differentiable at f of x. And you remember what relation is there in between this means. F inverse dash, f inverse x dash into f of x is equal to 1 by f dash x is equal to 1 by f dash x, you can write. Is that okay, guys? Is it okay, guys?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
any example?
Yes.
दे सकते हैं, इनवर्स ढूंढना पड़ेगा. और एक पॉइंट भी लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे. This one also you please remember. If F and G are inverse of each other, inverse of each other, then G of f of x is equal to x. Differentiating this, with respect to x, we get like this now. Okay, g dash f of x into f dash x is equal to 1. Implies you can say like this, f dash x is equal to 1 by g dash f of x. ऐसा भी लिख सकते हैं. एक एग्जाम्पल कैसा ले रहा हूँ, तो ऐसा ले रहा हूँ. f of x is equal to x cube plus x plus 1. Okay, and g of x is inverse of f of x. ठीक है, inverse of f of x ऐसा दिया. Then if I ask you that what is then g dash is equal to how much, how you are going to write? How you are going to write, sir? हाँ सर. Anybody have any answer?
G of f of x is equals to x.
Okay, here G dash it is. I think you people are might get confused. Now it is clear. G dash it is. Sir, बोलिए. You can write this one. No. What is that? G dash f of x, right? Okay. Into what? F dash x
F dash.
is equal to 1, na?
Yes, sir.
Right? F dash x is equal to 1. हाँ ठीक है. क्या लिखना पड़ेगा अपने को? G dash 3 is set. So don't get confusion. I want to take like this ना. क्या लिखना चाह रहा हूँ देख. If I take x is equal to 1, right? क्या होता? G dash f of 1, right? What is f dash x, sir? What is f dash
3x
x?
square plus 1.
3x square plus 1. So the 3 into 1 square plus 1 is equal to 1. So one more point here. F of 1 कितना है रे? 1 plus 1 plus 1. 3 ना?
Yes.
So G dash 3 is equal to 4 is equal to 1. So G dash 3 कितना होगा?
1/4.
ऐसा. Well, don't worry. While doing the problems, I'll show you so many examples. You need not worry at all.
So
Okay,
why
so
did you take x as 1?
because here he said that 3 ना, ये 3 कब आता है यार? F of 1 is equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 आ रहा ना?
अच्छा.
हाँ,
Okay.
वैसा भी सोचना पड़ेगा. Because we have to go to maximum level ना, तो थोड़ा बहुत ऐसा सोचना पड़ेगा. Okay, is it okay?
Yes.
हाँ, चलो यार, थोड़ा आगे बढ़ेंगे. क्या है यार? So next one is we are supposed to go for type कितना है? 7.
7.
Type 7. Type 7 is parametric differentiation. Parametric differentiation कैसे रहता है यार? Suppose you take down like this. Y is equal to f of theta. Right? Right? Got this? Y is equal to f of theta. X is equal to something. I don't know. X is equal to g of theta is how you are going to write? Dy by dx. That means dy by dx. dy by d theta. Sorry. D theta by dx by d theta. Shall I write like this? Same होगा ना यार? You can write f dash theta by g dash theta. Is that clear? ठीक है, नहीं clear है, not clear, no problem. I'll take here f of t. Right, x is equal to g of t. कैसा है देखो यार आराम से. x is equal to g of t. तो आपको क्या होना है? dy by dx क्या लिख सकते हो? dy by dt divided by dx by dt लिख सकते ना यार?
Yes, sir.
f
Yes,
dash
sir.
t by g dash t. बराबर है? बराबर है ना भाई?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डरना नहीं, डरे तो अपन पैदल नहीं डरे, समझो आराम से समझ करते चले जाते. नहीं, इसमें एक काम करेंगे. अपन पहले ऐसा करेंगे. चलो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल, x is equal to a cos square theta, y is equal to b sin square theta. मैंने बोला समझो फाइंड dy by dx क्या करते थे यही करना है ना आपको dy by dx is nothing but dy by d theta by dx by d theta correct है am I right
Yes, sir.
इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो b into 2 sin theta to the power of 2 minus 1 sin theta डेरिवेटिव आपको समझ में आना और फिर डैश लगा इसको देखो b 2 cos theta to the power of 2 minus 1 cos theta is it okay not b this is what a क्या होगा b by a this is 2 sin theta cos theta यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा 2 cos theta minus sin so we can cancel answer is
Minus d by
हर जगह ऐसा आता बोल के नहीं सोचना ओके आ गया तो ओके नहीं आया तो और एक क्वेश्चन लो x is equal to a theta minus sin theta y is equal to a 1 minus cos theta now you tell me here dy by dx what I'm supposed to write a ना यार
d by t theta
right
by
dx
dx by dt.
इसको डिफरेंशिएट करो 0 minus of minus plus sin theta right for derivative of this one a into 1 minus cos theta ये तो गया और सिंप्लीफाई करना तो आपके हाथ में है यार sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2 if you are interested otherwise no force 2 sin square theta by 2 एक sin theta भी गया 2 भी गया बचा क्या यार cot theta by 2 right is it okay sir
Yes,
okay I'll give
Rajesh is asking last page.
कुछ नहीं इसको डिफरेंशिएट
नहीं सर लास्ट पेज होना है राजेश बगल
don't worry we'll do so many questions here बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे जबरदस्त क्वेश्चंस रहते बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस करेंगे okay so many questions are there we will do don't worry बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं सेकंड थर्ड क्वेश्चन और एक मैं ले आपको कैसा रहता जरा देखो x is equal to 2 e to the power of minus t y is equal to 4 e to the power of t guys क्या करना है रे dy by dx फाइंड करना मतलब dy by dt divided by dx by dt करना क्या है 4 e to the power of t का डेरिवेटिव वो तो वही रहेगा इसका 2 e to the power of minus t रहता लेकिन माइनस वन आता है सो हमेशा माइनस 2 e to the power of t e to the power of t कितना होगा ये आए is it okay is it okay
यस सर
हाँ चल भाई
Yes.
मैं एक क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे ले don't miss it now don't leave the class unnecessarily you'll land in trouble cos t plus t sin t y is equal to a sin t t cos t or something. Now you tell me this is what I think first one is x second one is y now. You tell me here dy by dx is nothing but shall I write dy by dt divided by dx by dt right a into the derivative of this one please tell me guys cos t minus t dash cos t minus t cos t dash do you agree uv formula used here
Yes, sir.
this is what cos t dash cos t derivative is minus it right and t dash sin t plus t sin t dash okay no don't worry like this cos t t dash go to 1 फिर ये भी cos t minus into minus plus t sin t will get t sin t. And in the denominator here, it will be like this: minus sin t plus
Anti
t cos t. Done. t भी जाता. The answer is
tan t.
right. Is it okay, sir?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. और एक क्वेश्चन क्या रहेगा देखिए इसमें. फिफ्थ वन. Y is equal to log t plus sin t. So x. और क्या है? Y is equal to e to the power of t cos t. You please tell me here, dy by dx is equal to, I have to differentiate this now. E to the power of t cos t derivative is minus sin t. Am I right? And derivative of this one is 1 by t. Derivative of sin t is cos t. Nothing will happen. You have to write like this. Okay. If I ask you that dy by dx at t is equal to 0 बोला तो you have to substitute. Right? Okay, sir. ये क्या होता? Undefined हो जाता. Coming stage will take it. Not now. We go for next one. देखिए. One more sincere example of effective, which I started. Okay. Suppose if I said like this, if x is equal to cos t 1 plus cos t theta, y is equal to sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Then if they ask you that dy by dx at theta is equal to pi by 2, yeah, they may ask you. So dy by dx means what now? UV formula, isn't it? Shall I go for UV? Cos theta 1
Yeah.
plus cos theta plus sin theta 0 minus sin theta divided by this minus sin theta 1 plus cos theta. Are you able to, sir, are you comfortable in this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Cos theta, this is cos square theta minus sin square theta. Yeah, minus sin theta minus sin theta cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Of course, we have to go for dy by dx at theta is equal to pi. Now the y, this is 0, this is 0, this is 1, this is minus 1, this is 0, this is also 0. How much, sir? Heading 1. Anybody have any doubt? Sir, anybody have any doubt? No, no?
No, sir.
Yes. Next one is type 8. Type 8 is implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation. Implicit differentiation. Okay. Implicit differentiation. Chalo. What is mean by implicit differentiation? Sir, you have like this dy by dx minus dou f by dou y by dou f by dou x. ऐसा कर सकता भाई? Yeah, you can do it like this. I'll explain this. Then give me a minute time. How, etc. By taking one example, y is equal to, suppose if you have implicit list, a function which is in the form of what f of x comma y. Two variable functions. Okay, suppose 4 is equal to 0 is there. Right? If then they ask you to find dy by dx. Then dy by dx is equal to how much means? Generally, what we'll do now, individually we'll differentiate, right? X square dash, okay, y square dash, 2x dash, right guys? 3y dash and 4 dash. कुछ भी घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है. 3 है, here it is for 2x. Here 2y, but dy by dx. Because we are differentiating with respect to x now. That's why. Here it is 2 only. Here it is 3 dy by dx. 0 like this. Finally, we'll get here dy by dx. If we take common, 3 and here 2x minus 2x plus 2. It minus. So finally dy by dx is equal to minus 2x plus 2 divided by 2y plus 3. Like this we got it. But what is this? Why I wrote like that? That I want to tell you. See this now. Okay, that I want to tell you. You see this clearly. Once again I am writing. Yeah, x square plus y square plus 2x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0. Direct differentiation numbers. Minus dou f by dou y divided by dou f by dou x means this is partial. When you are differentiating with respect to y, treat x is constant. Constant derivative is 0. Yet y derivative is what? 2y. X derivative is what? 0. This is what? Plus 3. Plus c. Clear sir? x से differentiate कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है भाई. y 0 हो जाए. यहाँ देख. 2x 2y plus 0 plus 0. Remaining all x is, when you say y differentiating with the partial differentiating with respect to y means y is only the variable, remaining all are what? Constants. That's the reason people are going to write the answer like this, direct. 2x plus 2. इतना easy है. I'll show
सर
you.
पहले y से डिफरेंशिएट करके बाद में x से करना ना.
हाँ सर. नहीं और एक भी एग्जांपल ले आप समझ के देखिए. Okay, 2x square 3xy with minus, don't worry, you see this, x plus 2y minus 8. ये मेथड में बताओ. dy by dx माइनस लगा. y से डिफरेंशिएट करें, ये 0 है. ये 3x का कांस्टेंट रहेगा, y से डिफरेंशिएट करें into 1. This is 0. This is 2. This is y से करें. अब x से करें. 4x से यहाँ पे 3y बचता, यहाँ पे 1 बचता, यहाँ पे 0, यहाँ पे यार ऊपर क्या आ रहा? माइनस ऑफ दिस इज minus 3x plus 2 divided by this is 4x minus 3y plus 1. Am I right? Is that clear guys? नहीं clear हुआ?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हो गया ना? इसे क्या बोलते
Yes.
हैं? Implicit differentiation. You can call it as implicit differentiation. अब देख भाई टाइप 9 ले लें. टाइप 9 क्या रहेगा? Logarithmic differentiation. Right, logarithmic differentiation. चल यहाँ पे अच्छा फार्मूला दे देते हैं, जबरदस्त फार्मूला देता, ये फार्मूला भी याद कर लो अच्छी तरह से. दिस इज वन ऑफ द बेस्ट फार्मूला, प्लीज रिमेंबर दिस. f of x to the power of g of x क्या होता है, dy by dx is equal to f of x to the power of g of x. अच्छी तरह से देखो रहे थे, g of x f dash x by f of x plus g dash x log f of x. ठीक है, ओके सर.
Yes, sir.
क्वेश्चन दिए तो आराम से कर सकना, अपन ऐसा रहना चाहिए. फॉर एग्जाम्पल देखो भाई, लॉगरिथमिक कैसे बोला होता है, साइन एक्स टू पावर ऑफ एक्स है, ऐसा क्या करते हैं, इसको डिफरेंशिएट करने नहीं आता, तो आप लोग क्या करना, लॉग वाई अप्लाई करना, लॉग ऑफ, देख भाई वो फॉर्मूला बाद अप्लाई करने के बाद तेरे को ऐसा आएगा ना, log of sin x will get, right? You got it like this, log by x log sin x, differentiate 1 by y dy by dx. यहाँ पे u भी फॉर्मूला x dash log sin x, x log sin x dash. तो क्या होगा भाई, dy by dx y into, इधर ला लिया 1 minus log sin x plus x, log sin x का डेरिवेटिव 1 by sin x, sin x का डेरिवेटिव 6. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Others? Shall I give another example?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I'll take this now. Y is equal to x to the power of x. Formula है, derivation करके बता. So log y. What is that? Here, logarithm of x to the power of x. So x log x you can. This is log. चलिए यार differentiate कर with respect to x. क्या होगा? 1 by y dy by dx. इधर x dash log x log x dash. थोड़ा टाइम यहाँ पे लगाना पड़ेगा. dy by dx is equal to y into 1 log x. या x log x का डेरिवेटिव 1 कैंसिल. क्या होता है, x to the power of x into 1 plus log x है dy by dx. क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
अभी फॉर्मूला यूज करके करो. Shall I use the formula?
Yes, sir.
Tan x to the power of sin x. डायरेक्ट डिफरेंशिएट करते हैं, एक ही स्टेप में आंसर. क्या लिखना है, tan x to the power of sin x. ओके सर, मेरा लिखने का आदत थोड़ा अलग है, आप मैं आपको बताता हूँ. मैं कैसा लिखता हूँ, ऐसे लिखता हूँ. पहले g डैश x log f of x, उसके बाद g of x by f of x. फॉर्मूला आपको देते हुए ये पहले दिया, ये बाद में दिया, मैं लिखते हुए ऐसा लिखता हूँ कुछ. तो क्या है, g डैश x ऊपर वाले का डिफरेंशिएशन क्या है, cos x. ओके, log of tan x. अब देखें sin x है, ये क्या है, f of x मतलब tan x है ना, sin x का डेरिवेटिव. सर
Sin x into
फिर से देख,
secant square x by tan x.
आराम से इसको पहले से लिख लिया, राइट. आपका f of x ही है, g of x. ये g of x का डेरिवेटिव cos x log tan x लिख दिया. हाँ हो गया. अब क्या है, g of x मतलब sin x as it is. f of x वो क्या है, tan x. tan x का डेरिवेटिव secant square x. That's it. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
और एक देंगे log x tan x. अब आप आराम से समझो dy by dx क्या लिखते हैं log x to the power of tan x. First I said like this tan x, okay, log x thereof plus अब क्या लिखना है tan x का डेरिवेटिव लिखना है. Cannot catch it. इसका डेरिवेटिव log x. अब tan x से भाई ये tan x पर तो ऊपर वाला नीचे क्या लिखना है log x. log x लिखना है ना भाई. अभी log x का डेरिवेटिव क्या होगा 1 by x. Clear? I'm not getting the answer. ठीक है अगली बार.
Yes.
y is equal to sin x to the power of log x x to the power of sin x. दो बार यूज करना है ना फॉर्मूला. चल भैया बोल पहले वाले को बोल यार क्या लिखना है sin x to the power of log x into इसका डेरिवेटिव 1 by x log sin x प्लस अभी क्या लिखना है log x a sin x का डेरिवेटिव cos x. ठीक है इसको देख x to the power of sin x इसका डेरिवेटिव cos x log x प्लस अभी क्या लिखना है sin x ये x ऐसे लिखना है इसका डेरिवेटिव 1. करेक्ट है?
Yes, sir.
Is it okay guys? कभी कभार क्या करते हैं 2-3 फंक्शंस दिया समझो दो 3 फंक्शंस देता ना रे they will give ना nothing to worry 2-3 फंक्शन देता ऐसा. Suppose if I gave you like x cube 2 plus 3x by so something 1 minus x 2 plus x ऐसा दिया तब क्या करोगे log अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. You can't use that formula ना. What is the formula here? 3 log x plus 1 by 2 log 2 plus 3x minus log 1 minus x. फिर logarithmic formula यूज करो 2 plus x. Are you
Yes,
followed? पूरा लिख दिया जल्दी डिफरेंशिएट कर 1 by y d by 3 by x plus 1 by 2 1 by 2 plus 3x 0 plus 2 minus 1 by 1 minus x चेन रूल भी यूज कर रहा हूँ साइमल्टेनियसली 1 by 2 plus x. ये आंसर. Is it okay? Not okay. I know. You are not getting the answers. A minus x whole square. B minus x whole cube. अरे सब लोग सही सही बोल देना रे. सर ये आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा. C minus 2x whole cube. चल log अप्लाई कर. ऐसा रहेगा ना लॉगरिथम ऑफ ये पूरा अंडा b minus x whole cube divided by how much था c minus 2x whole cube. अब क्या करेगा log a minus b ना log a by b log a minus log b राइट. ओके सर अभी बोलो लॉगरिथम
Yes,
ही है.
sir.
हाँ तो log a b यहाँ पे log a minus x whole square plus log b minus x whole cube. देख भाई c minus 2x whole cube करेक्ट है. फिर यहाँ पे log n log x लिख रहा हूँ log y अब बोल 2 log a minus x plus 3 log b minus x minus 3 log c minus how much 2x
होल क्यूब।
नहीं 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 रहता क्यूब चला गया ना
अच्छा यस।
हाँ डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू x अब क्या होगा 1 by y dy by dx like 2 by a minus x right minus 1 3 by b minus x minus 1 3 by c minus 2x minus 2 क्या आंसर आ रहा तेरा dy by dx is equal to y into minus 2 by a minus x minus 3 by b minus x plus 6 by c minus 2x ये है तेरा आंसर y बोले तो क्या ये पूरा लिखना भी स्टोरी क्या है पूरा लंबा छोड़ा क्लियर
यस सर।
okay guys okay we'll move on to the next one now what is the type next Nana type 9 है 10 है
10 sir.
हो गया 9 है ये 9 है ये 10 है type 10 is substitution okay type 10 is substitution right भाई substitution के बाद अपन कुछ करेंगे और नेक्स्ट कुछ रहा तो देखिए उसके बाद सम्स रहते जबरदस्त सम्स करना पड़ेगा ओके सब्स्टिट्यूशन के बाद सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव है सब्स्टिट्यूशन नाउ क्वेश्चन इज सीरियस सब्स्टिट्यूशन में कैसे क्वेश्चंस है फर्स्ट वन यार ये बहुत केयरफुल रहना 2x रूट 1 माइनस एक्स स्क्वायर ऐसे दिया इसको जंगली अंक से डिफरेंशिएट नहीं करना है पे all trigonometric questions related to what is that x is equal to sin theta लेना याद है सिंप्लीफाई करना पड़ता पहले sin inverse of 2 sin theta what about this 1 minus sin square theta is okay 2 sin theta ये क्या होता है cos theta यहाँ पे नहीं लिखना right so how much sir
sin 2 theta.
sin 2 theta हाँ चल 2 theta आता theta बोले तो कितना रे sin inverse x पूरा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री यूज करना या लास्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करना dy by dx is how much था 2 by root 1 minus x square ये डिफरेंशिएशन बाकी पूरा इनवर्स ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक फंक्शन है गॉट इट
Yes sir.
अगर से मैं ऐसे दिया तो y is equal to देख भाई tan इनवर्स ऑफ 2x डिवाइडेड बाय 1 minus x square क्या करता है x is equal to what tan theta
tan theta यस सर।
tan theta.
तो डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर रहा हूँ पहले सिंपलीफाई कर 2 tan theta डिवाइडेड बाय 1 minus tan square theta ठीक है so tan inverse of this is what tan 2 theta now you tell me tomorrow shall I give 10 type relatedly somewhere around 10 into 4 40 questions in the class are able to do or I'll write in the paper I'll give it to you is it okay
Yes, sir.
आपको मैं भेज देता हूँ वो बेटर है घर में कभी फ्री टाइम मिला तो कर देते आप व्हाट डू यू से
Sir किस पे sir?
मैं 10 क्वेश्चन ये 10 टाइप पे एक टाइप पे 4 क्वेश्चन लिख के दे देता हूँ भेज देता हूँ यू राइट दैट एंड सेंड इट टू मी
Okay sir.
Okay,
ओके
sir.
वो इजी रहता है ना रे ये कॉपी करने से बेहतर है वो अच्छा है राइट उसमें थोड़ा बहुत घट क्वेश्चन दिया दे राइट यू कैन आस्क मी ये हो गया टाइप टाइप 10 नहीं था 11 टाइप्स है और एक टाइप बताना है फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फंक्शन बताना है वो हो गया तो हो गया ठीक है थर्ड वन टुडे जस्ट आई एम इंट्रोड्यूसिंग बिकॉज I want to strengthen your confidence. Nothing else. Can you tell me here which one what I'm supposed to take? Sir.
X is equal to tan.
X is equals to tan theta.
Nice. चलो trigonometry formula याद. 3 tan theta minus
Tan inverse of tan 3 theta.
3 tan square theta. Yeah. So tan inverse of tan 3 theta. This is what 5. But actually we will get 3 theta. Is equal to 3 tan inverse x. Now differentiate with respect to x. क्या होगा? dy by dx is equal to, come on tell, 3 by 1 plus x square ना?
Yes.
Right? 18. This is 19
Sir,
page.
can you once can explain type 9, sir?
Nothing. You are supposed to select here.
Type 9.
ये देख के आपको याद आना 2 sin theta
Sir,
cos
type
theta आ रहा.
9, sir.
ओके एंड ये देख के आपको ऐसा याद आना 9 में तो सिर्फ लॉगरिथम अप्लाई करना है और लॉगरिथमिक के पूरे फार्मूला से आए तो ये कर सकते. यहाँ देखो log a by b है तो log a minus log b लिखा. फिर इसको log a b यूज करा log a plus log b लिखा. फिर ये तीनों को क्या करा, ये फार्मूला यूज करा log x to the power of n means n log x. ये लिख के पूरा ऐसा लिखा. जब जाके डिफरेंशिएट कर धन बल का आंसर. डिफरेंशिएट में फिर क्या है, चेन रूल भी है. x से नहीं होता है माइनस एक्स है इसलिए -1. यहाँ पे -1 यहाँ पे -2 ऐसा है. ओके आप एक बार घर में बैठ के फिर एक बार प्रैक्टिस करना जब जाके आप कुछ कर सकते. इज इट ओके ना?
Okay, sir.
हाँ सर मैं
Yes,
तो
sir.
खाली आज टाइप इंट्रोड्यूस करा आप लोगों को क्योंकि ज़्यादा सताना नहीं था मुझे इसलिए. ओके टाइप 11 बोले तो अरे मैं फर्स्ट टाइप के नहीं देता हूँ क्वेश्चंस आपको. 10 टाइप इसलिए बताया कि फर्स्ट टाइप नहीं देता हूँ. टाइप 2 से लेके टाइप 11 तक आपके क्वेश्चंस लिख के भेज देता हूँ. क्या कह रहा था मालूम? डिफरेंशिएशन ऐसा, फाइंड द डेरिवेटिव. Find the derivative of f of x with respect to g of x. Right, function with respect to function. है तो एक क्वेश्चन देख, पहला क्वेश्चन देख यार. f of x मैं ऐसा लिया e to the power of x. तेरा g of x रूट x है. क्या करेगा? मैं क्या बोल रहा? डिफरेंशिएट f of x with respect to g of x. मतलब यार f dash x by
X by G dash
g dash x. ये सिंबल e to the power of x whole dash by root x dash. क्या होता है यार? e to the power of x root x डेरिवेटिव 1 by 2x. ये तो इजी आ जाता भाई. 2 root x आंसर तेरे को आ रहा यहाँ पे. ओके नॉट बैड. लेकिन जब इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन देता ना जब अपन पैदा f of x is equal to, देख भाई, tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. ये है. और g of x ऐसा दिया क्या है? tan inverse x. ओके आप इसको क्या करते रहे सर? डरना नहीं, इसको करते वक्त थोड़ा ढंग से करना नहीं तो उड़ जाते. इफ यू टेक हियर f of x separately, देख भाई tan inverse 1 plus x square minus 1 by x. 1 plus x square wherever you find x is equal to tan. So tan inverse of, यहाँ पे नहीं लिखना f of theta, f of x भी नहीं लिखना, is equal to लिखना, नहीं तो सब रॉन्ग हो जाता. 1 plus tan square theta tan theta. इसको सिंप्लीफाई कर रहा हूँ यहाँ पे. क्या आता है यार? tan inverse of secant theta minus 1 by tan theta. डरो मत, डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर रहा हूँ अभी. tan inverse of 1 minus cos theta by sin, क्योंकि cos theta कैंसिल कर दिया आफ्टर टेकिंग LCM. इट ओके? स्टिल आई एम नॉट इंटरेस्टेड तो डिफरेंशिएट नहीं कर रहा हूँ. फिर यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ, क्या लिखना है? 2 sin स्क्वायर थीटा बाई 2, यहाँ पे 2 sin थीटा बाई 2 cos थीटा बाई 2. आपका पूरा ट्रिग्नोमेट्री का निचोड़ देता रहे. tan इनवर्स ऑफ tan थीटा बाई 2 क्या होता? देख, अब अभी भी एफ ऑफ एक्स नहीं लिख रहा हूँ मैं. आई एम नॉट एट ऑल इंटरेस्टेड. लिखना ही नहीं है मेरे को. लिखा तो गलत होता. थीटा बोले तो क्या लिखूं? tan इनवर्स एक्स. अब लिख तो देख, एफ ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू हाफ tan इनवर्स एक्स. तो यार एफ डैश एक्स क्या हो रहा है तेरा? 1/2 1/1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. एक स्टेप है डिफरेंशिएशन. ये पूरा क्या है? सडियल ट्रिग्नोमेट्री. गॉट इट?
Yes,
हाँ.
sir.
अब इधर देखो, इधर मैं क्या लिया? जी ऑफ एक्स. इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन की जरूरत नहीं है, डायरेक्ट आ रहा ना. डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स क्या होता? जी डैश एक्स 1/1 प्लस एक्स स्क्वायर. ऐसा नहीं, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री बहुत अच्छा रहता, उसमें पूरे आइडियाज आते हैं. एफ डैश एक्स बाय जी डैश एक्स यू हैव टू फाइंड. डोंट नेग्लेक्ट दैट ट्रिग्नोमेट्री सर. हम स्टार्ट करने वाले हैं.
1/2.
आंसर कितना आया?
1/2.
आ गया ना भाई?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ये क्या है? फंक्शन विद रिस्पेक्ट टू फंक्शन का एक क्वेश्चन मैं आपको सब समझूंगा, बता दूंगा. है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो यार मैं आपको इजी क्वेश्चंस पहले इजी पेपर दे देता हूँ, उसके बाद में आपको एक अच्छा क्वेश्चन पेपर दे देता हूँ. राइट? इसमें डबल डिफरेंशिएशन वाले तो पता है ना, सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव होता है, सेकंड टाइम यू हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट, 2 बार डिफरेंशिएट करना. ठीक है? टाइप 12 लास्ट पेज है, इसमें जितने आते उतने ही. इज इट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
तो यार इसको घबराने की कोई बात नहीं रहती. डबल डिफरेंशिएशन सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव बोलते हैं. सेकंड ऑर्डर डेरिवेटिव दो बार डिफरेंशिएट कर लेते हैं. एक बार क्वेश्चन ऐसे दिया सर, फाइव इज इक्वल टू एक्स प्लस tan एक्स देके पूछा. अब इसको 2 बार डिफरेंशिएट करोगे तो क्या करता है? डिफरेंशिएट विद रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स क्या होता है तेरा? यहाँ पे dy बाई dx होता है 1 प्लस ये क्या होता? सीकेंड स्क्वायर एक्स है ना? है ना?
Yes, sir.
डरने की बात नहीं, जो है वो है. नहीं नहीं है तो उन्हें क्या पूछना मान ऐसे देखिए. देन ही इज आस्किंग लाइक दिस, cos स्क्वायर एक्स d स्क्वायर y बाई dx स्क्वायर प्लस 2x इज इक्वल टू डैश बोला. अब क्या करना है रे? यहाँ इसको थोड़ा सिंप्लीफाई करना. dy बाई dx है 1 प्लस 1 बाई cos है ना भाई?
Yes, sir.
तो इसको cos स्क्वायर एक्स dy बाई dx आता इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे cos स्क्वायर एक्स प्लस 1 आता है ना? फिर डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे. चलो इसको डिफरेंशिएट बोलो, कितना आता जरा? 2 cos x माइनस sin x dy बाई dx u डैश का cos स्क्वायर x इसको डिफरेंशिएट भी करा d स्क्वायर y बाई dx स्क्वायर. एक ही पेज है, नहीं आ सकता सब. यहाँ देखो 2 cos x sin x विद माइनस प्लस है भाई. है ना यारो? मैं राइट?
Yes, sir.
नो प्रॉब्लम. चलिए अब यहाँ पे क्या होता है? cos स्क्वायर x d स्क्वायर y बाई dx स्क्वायर तो आ गया. यहाँ पे माइनस है, ये sin 2x लिख लो. देखो सर sin 2x इधर आ गया तो क्या होता है? प्लस sin 2x dy बाई है ना, sin 2x dy by dx देता। हाँ भाई अभी देखो यार, sin 2x लिखा है sin 2x dy by dx बोलो तो क्या लिख सकते हैं, क्या लिख सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं ना भाई
1 plus 1 by cos square.
secant square x minus 1 तो अलग रहता नहीं है, तो एलसीएम निकाले तो क्या रहता, cos square x minus 1 by cos square x, राइट, लिखूं,
Plus 1.
हाँ भाई प्लस 1 cos square x plus 1 by cos square, यहाँ का cos तो गया, ठीक है, गाइस एम आई राइट, आ रहा नहीं आ रहा,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
इसका आंसर ये, इसका पूछ रहा है cos का dy by dx आ यार, तू पूरा सिंप्लीफाई करके प्लस 2x करेगा तो जो आता वो आंसर लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पे, करना क्या पड़ेगा, 2 sin x cos x है ना, यहाँ पे 2 sin x cos x, एक cos x तो गया, फिर cos x रहता, फिर इधर आता, इसमें बहुत बड़ा हो जा रहा है ना, अरे कैसे करेंगे फिर,
Sir,
और
in the first step, dy by dx is equals to 1 plus secant square x. We can differentiate.
देयर इज वेरी नाइस, 2 यहाँ पे क्या होता, 2 secant x to the
So
power of
secant x, secant x tan x.
secant x सगम झंझट महिंद्रा, सच में वो झंझट ही चले गई, डी स्क्वायर वाई बाई डी एक्स स्क्वायर, यहाँ पे कितना होता है देखो, 2 tan x है ना, देखो secant x secant square x ना, है ना, ठीक, cos square x, करेक्ट है,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
रोशनी का रूप, थैंक यू वेरी मच, ये कितना हो गया, 2 tan x, चल यार इसको ऐड कर, 2x ऐड करो तो 2x प्लस 2 tan x, राइट, 2 कॉमन निकाल दिया, x प्लस tan x, ये 2 बाई आ गया, नाइस, ठीक है भाई, ये पूरा
Yes.
झंझट में से बाहर, थैंक यू रोशनी गारू, राइट सर, एक और क्वेश्चन ले लेते ताकि आपको जरा जबरदस्त, मैं मेथड, मेरा मेथड भी समझ y is equal to, I don't have much more things, tan inverse x, then ऐसे दिया 1 plus x square y2 plus 2x y1 is equal to dash, if यार डरना नहीं है, y is equal to tan inverse ले लो, डिफरेंशिएट करेगा क्या होगा, dy by dx is equal to 1 plus x square, अरे dy by dx को y1 बोलते हैं, तो 1 plus x square into y is equal to 1, फिर से एक बार डिफरेंशिएट, ये तो यूवी फॉर्मूला हो जाएगा ना, 1 plus x square dash y1 plus 1 plus x square into y2 is equal to, ये क्या होगा 2x y 1 plus x square y is equal to क्या है, क्लियर, इज इट क्लियर सर?